tell the story of a great love. The sweet love story that's older than the sea.
Sinino mo dinidedicate ka, Brad?
Fulfilled about the love.
Sinino mo dinidedicate?
Where do I start?
Oh, nakatingin pa sa camera, oh. Para artista.
With the first love, she gave a meaning to this empty world of mine. There's never be another love, another time.
Alam ko, ayaw mo kumanta. Pwede ka pala kumanta, Brad, ha?
It fills my heart. She fills my heart. There's no sleep within the soul. She fills my soul with so much love that anywhere I go, I never know. With her alone, who will be lonely, I reach for your hand, solace there. How long does it last? And love remains sure by the hours in a day. I have no answers now, but each much I can say. I know I need her till the stars all far away, and she'll be there. How long does it last? Can love be measured by hours in a day? I have no answer now, but it's much I can say. I know I need her till the stars are alive, and she'll be there.
Yeah. Dedicate mo yan.
Hindi talaga ngayon ako kumanta dyan. Dito talaga bro, kakanong sa music ko. Yung mga outing nga kami, joke.
99, Brad, oh. Score mo.
Pero kung sa inyo, ako talagang